Okay, here we go, it's Bart here from Bodjabart again. We're going to cut this floor out, hopefully. So here's my pattern. I'm going to use this. I'm just going to make it a little bit longer because I think it's a little bit short. But it's better to be too long than too short. We can always cut it off. It's a little bit wide here, so we have to mark that there and there, that on there. And we're going to down there, around there. Okay. And this one here, I've got to add a bit because this slot's not quite right. So I've got to add a bit to there and to there. So that'll go down there. Right, we got that there. Okie dokie, that's that. Let's go and cut this out. So here we are cutting. I've cut one side. Thought I'd show you a little bit of cutting. Now we also have to, I've cut these ones here and the ends, but I've got to put a nice curve in there. So rather than do it the way I was doing it on these ones here, I think I'll get a hole saw and just cut a circle out of there. I think that'll be easier. So I'll go and do that. I think that'd be way easier. Okay, here we go. So we use the drill and a hole saw. And we cut a hole in it, see? So now we're just going to cut down there and cut down there. That's better than trying to grind it. I would say a lot better. Oh, yeah. Take my glasses. Oh, these are bolts that were in the other thing. Where's the glasses? That looked alright. Oh, that was easy enough. Alright. I suppose we're here to see if it fits. What do you reckon? We'll have to clean it up a bit. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. We've got a bit of filing to do to clean it up. Or maybe a bit of grinding. We'll get the grind. Oh, we'll see. Oh, yeah. Since we're here. I know it's a cut-off disc I'm using, but we'll just okey-doke, moment of truth, eh? Let's have a look. Okay, here we are. Get that cord out of the road. today. We just want to see if we can actually get it in the way it is. Right, we can't get it in that way. I might have to cut it down. Oh yeah, that's right. So this would be down here. So that was a road for a starter. Alright, up a bit, down. Oh, we got so far. I think because I made it a bit longer, it's not going to work. I was hoping it would. I was. But you never know. Get it over there. There's a little bit of bend in it. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. We nearly got it. Let's just do it. Oh. I'm having trouble with the brake light. Alright, what's stopping it now? Oh, it's a little bit tight. Oh, I think because this has got to come up onto this bar and it's got to go down. So looks like we might have to take a little bit more out of it. It doesn't look like it's going to go far up anyway. So we have mucked up. Oh, I didn't get that up either. I'll take that pedal off, won't I? Get that to work. Or will I? We will certainly want it to go in easier than this. So by the look of it, it's got to go a little bit forward. Means I've got to take a bit more out of this and a bit more out of the other side. It looks like I've got tons of room here. So I'm going to take a bit out of here and out of there. Okay. To push it forward, which might get it up a bit. If the exhaust pipe was out, it might make life a bit easier as well. Ooh. I've got it in there now, can't get it out. Right. Okay, we can get it so far. Oh, there we go. Right. Where's that felt pen? So what I'll do is I'll take a bit out of this side first. I'll leave that there. I'll just carve in here, down there a bit more, I think. Like that one's got a bigger carve. So we'll do that first. Okay, here we are, we're back, and we've got the floor mounted. Well, we've got the floor in the right place, we've got it fitting. So we have to drill some holes in here so we can bolt it down. And yeah, we'll go from there. I think I'll lift this slide further forward like that. But that pedal fits in down there. We haven't got the other one sorted out yet though, but here we go. Brakes will come up through there. That's the brakes. We've got to sort out the accelerator cable and then the gas line, which we've got to get down to here. We've got to run that down underneath there and then come back up and into there, I hope. So long as it's lower than that, it should feed it. You can't come, it'd be nice to go straight from there to there, but it'll just be in the road. So all the other ones, I see they bring it down and underneath and up. So we have to avoid the motor, because it'll melt the line. So we'll just have to see what we've got to do, won't we? But at the moment, that floor is done. There's still just these holes to drill. We've got to connect it, so that's looking pretty good. So that's the floor done. We're actually getting pretty close. I've got to find the little washers to bolt these wheels up with. But yeah, I'd say very soon we will be testing it out. Tighten up a few things, pull it all to bits, weld it up, put it back together. And I'll paint it, I guess we're going to paint it. So Jason, you have to get me some paint, mate. Alright. So this is old Bodjabart signing off. I'll catch you next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe.